Standard 3 Maths Math Magic Workbook Chapter number 13 Smart Chart Page number 219 Draw a tally marks as per example. Example 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th line slanting line and 6 and 7. So let's start here from one number 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and every 5th line will slanting line. So this is the bunch of 5. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number 2, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th line slanting line. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. 3 number 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 4 number 13. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 5 number 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17 and 18. 5, 10, 15, then 16, 17 and 18. 6 number 15. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th line slanting. Then 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10th line again slanting. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 7 number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 1, 21. Number 8, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 and 1, 26. Let's count again. Each bunch is bunch of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 1, 26. 9 number 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25. Every 5th line will draw the slanting line. Number 10, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 and 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31 and 32. Question number 2. Write the numbers of tally marks as per example. Example is given here. See. This is the bunch of 5. So, we will count it 5. Then 6, 7, 8 and 9. Write here 9. Number 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Write in the box 4. Number 2, 5, then 1, 6. 3 number 5. Directly 5 we will count this one. 5 and 5, 10. 10 and 1, 11 and 1, 12. 5, 10, 11, 12. Number 4, 5, 10, then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So this is 14. If slanting line like this it is given, then only we will count it 5. Otherwise this single line we will count each one. 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Number 5, 5, 10, 15 and 1, 16. Number 6, 5, 10, 10 and 5, 15, 15, 16 and 17. Number 7, 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Number 8, 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 5, 20. Number 9, 5 and 5, 10, 5, 15 and 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. 30, then 31, 32, 33 and 34. Write in the box 34. Number 10. 5, 10, 15 and 5, 20 and 5, 25. Then 26, 27 and 28. Number 11. 5 and 5, 10 and 5, 15 and 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Then 31, 32 and 33. So write in the box 33. Next page, page number 220. Question number 3. Details of numbers of flowers with different colors in a garden are given below. Draw a frequency distribution table based on it. Represent them on a chart and write the answer to the question. Colors of flowers: yellow, red, blue, orange, purple and white is given, and number of flowers: yellow colors flower 15, red flowers 8, blue flowers 7, orange flowers 6, purple 11 and white 9. Here number colors of flowers given and frequency means tally chart, and then we will write here total numbers. 2 already done here first. Number 3, blue. So let's see here, blue 7 flower. So we'll write here, we'll draw this frequency 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And we will write in the box number of flower 7. Orange, orange 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1, 6. And write here in the box 6. Purple flowers 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1, 11. So write in the box number of flowers 11 and white 9 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And write in the box 9 flowers. Here downside the graph also given. Let's draw the graph. 2 numbers this side color of flowers, and on this line number of flowers are given. Number of flowers 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. And colors yellow, red, blue, orange, purple and white. 2 is done first. Blue. So blue how many? 7 flowers. So 7 flowers, it is between 10 and 5. 10 and 5. So almost 7 is here. So we can draw this 7 till here. You can draw a line 7 here. Orange 6. Orange 6 flowers. So little smaller line, then blue. Purple 11. Purple 11, 10 and 1 11. So and white 9. So white flowers 9. Number 1, flowers of which color are the most in number? कौन से flowers सबसे ज़्यादा है? Yellow. Most in numbers yellow. Right here yellow. And how many yellows are? 15. Flowers of which color are the least in number? सबसे कम कौन से है? Orange. See the lines. Smallest line, it is of orange. Right here orange. And how many it is? Only 6. How many flowers of red colors are there? How many flowers of red colors are there? 8. How many flowers of purple colors are there? 11 flowers of purple colors are there. Question number 5. How many flowers of blue color and white color are there all together? Blue color and white color. So blue color we have 7 and white color we have 9. All together means what we will do? Add. Addition करेंगे. So 9 plus 7, 16. All together blue and white are 16. How many less are the orange flowers than the purple flower? Now here all together they asked. So what we did? We did addition. Here what they asked? Let's read it again. How many less are the orange flowers than the purple flower? Difference. We have to find the difference. Comparison करना है. Whenever we have to do the comparison, we have to do the subtraction. So which orange flower and purple flower? Orange flower 6 and purple flower 11. 11 minus 6. So how many less? 11 minus 6, 5. So 5. How many more are the yellow flowers than the white flower? Yellow flowers than the white flower. Yellow flower we have 15 and white flower we have 9. Here if you said more word दिया है so add करना है नहीं. More are the yellow flowers than the white flower. Comparison की है कि yellow flower white से कितने ज़्यादा है. How many? So 15 minus 9. 15 minus 9. So we will get 6. So 6 flowers ज़्यादा है yellow. What is the difference between red flower and blue flower? Difference. Difference means subtraction. Red flower and blue flower. We have red 8 and blue 7. So what is the difference? 8 and 7? 1. 1 का ही difference है. Number 9. What is the difference between the flower with the most in number? Most in number first. कौन से flower सबसे ज़्यादा है? Yellow. And flowers with the least in number. Least flower कम से कम, that are the orange flowers. So let's first write yellow flower 15 and orange flower 6. Once again, what is the difference between? Difference means what we will do? We will do subtraction between the most in number, that are yellow 15, and flowers with the least in number, that are orange 6. So we have to find the difference between these two numbers. 15 minus 6. Orange flower and yellow flower and orange flower, and the difference is 9. The total number of which two flowers are equal to the number of yellow flowers? Let's read the question again. The total number of which two flowers? Total करना है two flowers के numbers का, are equal to the number of yellow flower. Yellow flower we have 15. So yellow flower 15 है, सो व्हाट दे आस्क कि कौन से 2 फ्लावर के टोटल करो तो येलो फ्लावर जितना होता है 15 होगा. सो कौन से 2 नंबर का टोटल करो तो 15 मिलता है. फर्स्ट 8 + 7, yes we will get 15. So red and blue we will add, then we will get 15. Another one 6 + 11, no. 7 + 6, 13. 11 + 9, it is also more than 15. So 9 + 6, 15. So orange and white. So which two flowers? Red and blue or orange and white. So write here red and blue or orange and white. Next, question number 4. The various ways of traveling and their details are given in the picture below. On its basis, draw the frequency distribution table, means telemarks. Also draw the graph and write the answer to the questions. This picture is given of vehicles, and here ways of traveling: walking, bicycle, scooter, buses, cars, tractor, school van, and number of people are given. Here we have to draw the frequency chart. First frequency chart we will draw from here only. Walking 9, one example is given. Second, bicycle, so we will write here bicycle. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It will remain same, and we will write here 5. 3 numbers, scooter. Scooter will write for scooter. Scooter how many? 6. So we will draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th line slanting and 6. And 6th line 5 and 1 6, and this 6 number we will write in this box. Buses how many? 22. So let's draw 22. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Cars. How many cars are there? 3 only. So 1, 2 and 3 line only we will draw and write here 3. Tractor only 1. So we will draw only 1 and write here 1. And school van. School van 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And write in the box 8. Next page. On next page, bar graph. Here you have to draw the bar graph. I drew here walking, bicycle. So 9. How to draw 9? Between 8 and 10, 9. Then bicycle 5. Same between 6 and 4. Scooter 6. Buses 22. Car 3. And tractor 1. And school van 8. What is the question? What they asked? Which way of traveling by the people is the most and how many? Which way of traveling by the people? So, which one is the more and highest? It is bus. Write here in the blank bus. And how many? 22. Which way of traveling by the people is the least? Least means smallest number 1 and tractor. So by traveling, tractor by traveling. It is the very least, very less and 1 only. How many people travel by bicycle? Bicycle से कितने people travel करते हैं? 5. Right here 5. How many people travel by scooter? Let's see here. Scooter by scooter 6. So right here 6. Is the number of people traveling by car more or less than the number of people traveling by tractor? By car, how many? 3. And people traveling by tractor were 1. So more or less, it is more. Traveling by car is more than the tractor. Right here, more. And how much? How many more or less? कितने ज़्यादा है? 3 and 1. So कितने? Only 2. 3 minus 1, 2. How many more people travel by walking than travel by scooter? Now, how many more people travel by walking than travel by scooter? We have to do the comparison. Walking कितने people कर रहे हैं? 9. And scooter पे 6. So 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6. What we will get? 3. Right here, 3. How many less people travel by bicycle than travel by bus? Once again, this is also comparison. कि कितने कम people that is travel by bicycle than the travel by bus. बस से कितने कम people bicycle पे travel करते हैं? Bicycle 5 and by bus 22. So 22 minus 5. 22 minus 5. By bus and by bicycle we have to do the comparison. 22 minus 5. 22 minus 5 we will get it is 17. What is the difference between the number of people traveling by scooter and the number of people traveling by tractor? By scooter and by tractor. By scooter 6 and by tractor 1. 6 minus 1. That is 5. Simple है. What is the total number of people traveling by bicycle and traveling by car? Once again, it is not comparison. What is the total number of people? We have to find the total. So what we will do? Addition. Traveling by bicycle and traveling by car. By bicycle 5 and by car 3. 5 and 3. 5 plus 3, 8. And 10 number. The number of people traveling by which two ways are equal to the number of people traveling by walking? सेम अभी आगे क्वेश्चन था उसके जैसा सेम क्वेश्चन है. कंपैरिजन किसके साथ करने हैं? द नंबर ऑफ पीपल ट्रैवलिंग बाय विच टू वेज आर इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ पीपल ट्रैवलिंग बाय वॉकिंग. वॉकिंग कितने पीपल कर रहे हैं? 9. सो कौन से दो नंबर का एडिशन 9 होता है? Let's check. 5 plus 6, it is 11. Then 6 plus 3, yes, it is 9. 6 and 3, 9. And 8 and 1 also 9. So which two? Scooter and car or tractor and school van? Scooter and car. You can write here in short form. Scooter and car. Or tractor and van. ट्रैक्टर एंड वैन. सो 8 plus 1 9 होता है वॉकिंग के जितने. एंड स्कूटर एंड कार 6 plus 3 इट इज ऑल्सो 9. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. डेटा ऑफ द फेसेस फॉलिंग इन द गेम ऑफ डायस इज गिवन बिलो. ड्रॉ द फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल ऑन इट्स बेसिस. ड्रॉ द ग्राफ एंड राइट द आंसर टू द क्वेश्चन. Faces of dice 1 2 3 4 5 6 faces. Number of times 1 कितने टाइम हुआ? 3 times. 2 कितने टाइम? 8 times. Like that. So on the next page we will draw the frequency chart or tally marks. On next page this table is given. Faces you have to draw. I have drawn here 1. So 1 1 2 3 and write the number 3. So 2 how many numbers of times? 2 8 times. So let's draw here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. How many number of times? 8. 3 कितने times? So 3 है 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and fifth number, fifth line slanting. 4 डैश में 4 है वो कितने टाइम आया? It is 4 times. 1 2 3 and 4 only. राइट है 4. 5 है वो भी 4 टाइम्स आया. 1 2 3 एंड 4. राइट नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स 4 एंड 6 वो 7 टाइम आया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Right here 7. It is very easy thing. Question answers. First we will draw the bar graph. What we will draw? Bar graph first we will draw. And how to draw the bar graph? Take a scale and faces of the dice. So 1 कितने टाइम है? 3 times. 1 3 times. So 3 numbers in front of 1. Till here you can draw 3 times. Then 2. 2 कितने times? 8 times आए. So till here 8 के सामने. Then 3. 3 how many times? 5 times. It is given here in front of 5. 3 and 5. So draw the line here till 5. Then 4. 4 times आया. So 4 के सामने line draw करो. Draw the line in front of 4. And dash of 5. It is also 4 times. Both are equal. And 6. It is 7 times. So till 7 you have to draw. So like you can draw. Now let's solve the question answers. Number 1. Which face of the dice comes the most number of times? Which one? सबसे ज़्यादा 8. It is 2. So we'll draw here the face of dice 2. And how many times? 8 times. Which face of the dice comes the least number of times? Least means कम से कम टाइम. That is the 1. 1 जो नंबर है फेसिस ऑफ डायस इट इज़ 1. वो सबसे कम टाइम. कितने टाइम? ओनली 3 ही टाइम आया. सो वी विल ड्रॉ द फेसिस ऑफ डायस ऑफ 1 एंड वो कितने टाइम आया? 3 टाइम. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स डिड 3 कम्स अप? 3 वाला डायस वो कितने टाइम आया? 5 टाइम्स. How many times did 6 come up? 6 वाला कितने times? It is 7 times. Which two faces of dice come equal number of times? Equal number of times, simple. 4. 4 and 5 both how many times comes? 4 times. Both comes equal time. So we will draw here faces of dice of 4 and 5. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 and 5. How many total times do 4 and 6 face come up? How many total times? We have to do the addition. Total search करना है. किसका? 4 and 6 दोनों कितने टाइम आए? 4 कितने टाइम्स? 4 टाइम. एंड 6 कितने टाइम? 7. 4 and 6. 4 ये 4 टाइम्स और ये 7 टाइम्स. 6 फेसिस ऑफ 6 कितने टाइम? 7 टाइम आया. एंड फेसिस ऑफ 4 टाइम आया. सो टोटल करना है. 4 + 7 इट इज 11. राइट हियर 11. हाउ मेनी मोर टाइम्स डू 6 फेस कम अप देन 1 फेस? How many more times do 6 face come up than 1 face? दोनों को डिफरेंस कंपेयर करना है. 6 का फेस कितने टाइम आया? 7 टाइम. और 1 का फेस कितने टाइम आया? ओनली 3 टाइम्स. सो 7 - 3 कंपेरिजन करना है. 7 - 3. सो वी विल गेट 4. How many less times do 5 face come up then 2 face of dash. अब 5 कितने टाइम है? 4 टाइम. एंड 2 फेस ऑफ 2 वो कितने टाइम है? 8 टाइम्स. वी हैव टू डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन. 8 minus 4 4. कंपेरिजन ही करना है. What is the difference between the number of times of 4 face and 5th face dash? 4 and 5th का comparison. Difference means subtraction. 4 minus 4. So दोनों का difference क्या है? माइनस करो तो 0. So difference is 0. What is the difference between the face that comes the most number of time? Most number of time. कौन सा फेस है? 2. एंड हाउ मेनी टाइम्स इट इज? 8 टाइम. एंड द कम्स द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ टाइम. सबसे कम टाइम्स में 3. 8 minus 3 जो मोस्ट है वो 8 एंड लीस्ट है 3. वी हैव टू फाइंड द डिफरेंस. हाइएस्ट एंड लोवेस्ट डिफरेंस. सो सब्ट्रैक्शन. 8 minus 3 we will get 5. So write in the blank 5. So students, these are the very easy and interesting exercises. So do this in your workbook.